Hello friends, assalamu alaikum. So I'm back again. Welcome back to my channel, and I'm here with another recipe, interesting recipe of brownies which you can enjoy with your family, friends and kids. So let's begin with the brownies. I have included the recipe card. I'm using here Vallerona Caribe chocolate, which is my favorite. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to melt the butter and the chocolate on the double boiler, and then I'm just going to add in the dry ingredients, and I'm going to put eggs in there with the sugar in a separate bowl, and then I'm going to beat it until the ribbon stage. Okay, so I'm just using the hand whisk. It is okay, it is not required to use sometimes the blenders. And meanwhile, on my side, the chocolate and the butter is melting. I have added here all the dry ingredients together. I'm going to whisk it. Okay, that's it. And here the chocolate and butter is melted. I'm going to add this slowly so the eggs is not going to cook here, okay, because the chocolate is hot. I'm going to mix little by little, and then I will add it in the rest of the mix. So here our brownies are ready. I'm going to put in 16 centimeter a cake ring. It's a square, and I'm going to flatten out, and on top of that I'm going to add some chocolate, Caribe dark chocolate, just a little bit of chunks, because I really like the taste. I don't want my brownies to be very sweet. So here is the baked brownies. You can see it looks so beautiful. You can enjoy as it is, but let's move to the next step. Okay, so I'm making here a simple ganache. Okay, the recipe card includes all the ingredients. I'm going to pour hot cream on the chocolate and leave it for 1 minute. After that, I am going to emulsify, and here is the ganache. I'm going to pour it on the top, and I'm going to leave it in the freezer for 4 hours at least. Okay, because I want it to be set nicely to get ready for the next stage. Here it is. After 4 hours, it is difficult to release. I swear, it was very difficult. But anyways, I just used the blowtorch, and then it was easy. So I took here 1.5 measurement with my scale, and then I just divide them in the long bars. Okay, so let me do it quickly. You can take the help of blowtorch or torch, and always clean your knife. Okay, now I'm putting caramel here. The caramel recipe is already available on my channel, and I will leave the link also in the description. You're just going to pipe it double side, and on the brownies, and then you are going to leave this in the freezer as well again. Now I have prepared Rocher glaze here. The Rocher glaze recipe is also included in the description box, and then you are just going to pour it on these sinful brownies. I swear they were very nice. And meanwhile, if you're forgetting, please don't forget to like and subscribe my channel for future recipes. I'm going to pipe the cream gently for more beauty, for adding more beauty, and to give a little bit of royal touch. Here it is. My cream is almost finished. Oh my god. Okay, so we managed. Now I'm going to put hazelnut on top, and that's it. Let's take these brownies to outside in the Dubai heat and we'll see if it is going to survive or not. Okay, here's my beautiful brownies. Currently in the daytime it is still 29 degrees Celsius, but look how beautiful they are looking. So I'm going to just show you how beautiful they look from inside as well, and I'm keep telling you, don't forget to like and subscribe the channel, because I have very interesting recipes coming on. You can see all the beautiful layers of brownies, and then the ganache, and then the beautiful caramel, and on top of that it is very nice with the chantilly. So enjoy my recipes, and make it for your friends and family. Till the next video, let me say bye bye to all of you. Take care all of you, and enjoy your life, and God bless you all. Ciao, bye.